So as a preventive maintenance, I'm gonna clean the exhaust a bit and then put some linseed oil on it, some cooked linseed oil on it. So this will dry a little bit faster, and will get inside all the pores of the rust and so on. So this is really small molecules. So yeah, let's start. Gonna remove this piece, 3 screws. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna try to remove the biggest pieces here. Maybe use some like this, and then ground it down a bit, get it a bit more clean, and then we put that oil on it. So I'm just applying here. This kind of shiny look, but you can't, it's hard to overpaint this. So, but this is an old exhaust, so I don't care. I just want to try it out, the linseed oil, see how it protects it, if it works, whatever. It's sort of an experiment. And it will take some days to dry, maybe a week or something. They say dry on 1 day or 2 days, but usually it takes longer. But it will dry. The motor oil I've done on that one will take longer. Check out the other video if you want it. I've done some moped videos, or whatever you call them, these vehicles. Okay, that's it for this time.